Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover lost streak on Snapchat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat. So once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left. And then you need to click on the gear icon on the top right. Here you need to scroll down and in support click on I need help. So once you are on the help page, that is here you need to search for snap streaks. So here you can see, and you simply need to scroll and click on no, and here you can see that you simply need to select this article didn't answer my question or solve my problem. Then you need to click on submit. Then you need to click on contact us, and here you need to click on I lost my snap streak. Then you simply need to scroll down and click on how do I restore my. So here you can see you simply need to select how do I restore my snap streak. Then you simply need to scroll down and here you can see options still need help. Click on yes, and then you need to enter your username, your email, your mobile number, your device, your friend username, limit 1 per submission. When did you start having this issue? You simply need to mention the date. How long was your snap streak before it expired? And did you see the icon? So if you see the icon, you simply need to select yes or no, and then you need to click on submit. Then the Snapchat will help you to recover your snap streak. So this is a process by which you can recover your snap streak. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.